Finland is an expensive country, especially when we talk about labor cost. That means Finnish companies need smarter ways to compete in global markets. This is especially important in labor-intensive industries, such as data center construction, shipbuilding, infrastructure, and elderly care. In these industries, the question is not how many people we have. The question is how well we use their time. We need solutions that reduce manual work, make information visible, and help people make better decisions faster. We need smarter workflows and better visual data. My name is Tanja Karonen, and my topic today is how we move from high labor cost to smart workflows. More importantly, I want to help you to see what you could offer to Finland right now. Finnish companies are not just looking for technology. They are looking for people who can understand real work, improve processes, and build solutions that make everyday work faster, clearer, and more productive. The median monthly salary is around 3,400 euros in Finland. But for the employer, the real cost is approximately 50% higher, around 5,100 euros. That means every working hour is expensive. This is the reason why efficiency matters so much, especially in labor-intensive industries like construction, shipbuilding, and elderly care. That was already earlier mentioned. The real problem is not only repetitive work, it's also poor work planning, unclear task order, missing information, bad shift planning, waiting time, and people doing work in the wrong sequence. In these environments, productivity means getting the right people to the right place at the right time and with the right information. Smart workflows, AI, and visual data can help companies plan, for example, recruitment, shifts, task flow, work order, and daily coordination better. The goal is not to replace people, the goal is to make human workflow better. Well, what it means from the employee perspective. Smart workflows are not only about productivity, they are also about making daily work easier in real operational environment. What I believe is that AI will increasingly become a layer on top of the systems companies are already using. It will not be as a separate tool that we will download or open, but instead it's inside the existing workflow. For example, AI can help workers make notes when they are at the construction site, or it can help to add photos to quality reports or fill in the text to those same reports. And it can help if something is missing to check it or guide to the next step in the process. And this is very important because in physical work, using a phone or tablet or laptop is often difficult. So if you are on construction site or shipyard, there is a lot of dirt. It's a security matter. It's also about where your hands are, your hands might be tied for something else. And same thing in elderly care. You lift things, you are busy with the other stuff instead of your phone, for example. So because of this, you don't have time to search through complex systems, write long reports, or click through many screens. And that is the reason why many existing tools are not used in their full potential. So the system may exist, but they don't exactly really fit into the work situation. And AI can help close this gap. And I recommend you also to think about what it could be in your innovation environment. So I want to give you some ideas, real world examples, what we are actually using at the moment. And this might give you a chance to benchmark these solutions. So SiteDrive is used in construction, production planning, and it helps teams plan and visualize the flow of work on construction site. Normally, there is a main contractor and several subcontractors doing different tasks. These subcontractors can be even tens of different companies. So, for example, when plastering is done in an apartment building, let's say floor 5, instead of painter, which is the next phase, walking up to the 5th floor or taking an elevator there and checking the apartments, are they ready? They can check from SiteDrive, is the previous phase ready, plasterer, and then they can start their work. And this product is for large companies. Sintra is an AI assistant that supports everyday routines and helps reduce small repetitive tasks. In Sintra, there are 12 AI agents with different training data. And for example, you can use assistant and voice recognition to do your quality assurance, for example, report by talking. And this product is for SMEs, small and medium-sized companies. Hoiva is a healthcare staffing platform, and it helps healthcare organizations fill open shifts faster and keep care work running. They can also pay salaries in a couple of days, and recruiting is made very easy. And this product is also for SMEs. And finally, NoCFO automates financial work with AI. And for example, when workers are traveling to another city and they pay their train or bus ticket themselves, employer must pay this, and workers can easily apply travel expenses to NoCFO and apply payment from the employer, and this is also for SME. So just a side note why I'm talking about so much of SMEs. 94% in Finland are SMEs, and I think you should consider that is your main target group in B2B segment. So I'm not talking about the consumers at all here, and that is totally different kind of segment also in Finland. So anyway, I encourage you to use this kind of mindset during Finnofest when you are doing your hackathons and innovating new solutions. So keep your North Star as a human-centric AI. Do not start only from the technology. Start from the work. Where does time disappear? Where do people wait? Where is information missing? Where is coordination difficult? Those are the places where smart workflows can create real value, and there is your business opportunity as well. So keep people in the center of your solution. People will define your success in a long run. And overall, Finland is a very small market. It's only 5 million people here, but this market is an excellent test bed for services that are aimed to European markets. So it's very good to start from here. I hope this gave you some ideas of what to start developing. So let's connect on LinkedIn. Please scan the QR code on the left-hand side. And if you have already existing product or solution that you want to demo, please book a 15-minute slot from my calendar from the right side QR code, and let's talk more. Thank you very much, and enjoy your stay in Finnofest.